maganda tong question na to. Nagalit ka ba sa akin?
Oo naman. Ala ka naman matuwa ako. Diba? Oh. Tanong, nagulat ka ba? Nagalit ako sa'yo.
Actually, hindi. Ini-expect ko nagalit ka.
Oh,
No.
oh,
Biglang quiet, biglang
biglang quiet. Tapos mag-isip tayo next question, diba?
Hindi, hindi kasi, I guess it would be a good thing to talk about it now. Because, I'm sure people would wonder what happened
Oo nga.
and things like that. And I guess this would be the perfect time, right? I have a question. How did you feel? Paanong anger yung naramdaman mo sa akin?
A lot. Kailan lang siyang humupa?
Kailan lang sa akin?
Ano ba? Anong feeling na ito? Nag-uusap tayo ngayon. Lalo nang tinawagan ka para mag-guest.
Actually, I was happy na tinanong nila ako to guest. I was waiting for it for a long time. And kinakabahan ako ngayon.
Ako rin, kinakabahan.
Because
Fairness, talaga.
yeah. No, because we haven't really talked for a long time. We haven't really actually hindi pa talaga kami nagkikita ng ganito.
I never.
You know what? It's funny because napapanaginipan ko, nakausap kita. Napapanaginipan ko, I don't know for some reason.
Uy, grabe na ito.
And it's a recurring dream na
It's kind of closure na siguro
parang
somehow
ganon.
kailangan din natin.
Somehow kailangan din. Actually, gusto mo kwento ko sa'yo kung saan kailan yung closure ko?
Ay, closure ba ito? Parang alam ko na kung kailan. Pero sige, kwento mo. Kwento mo
Sige,
na rin.
kwento ko yung closure ko. Actually, remember, Ariel and I had a show in the States. So before that, we just broke up, no? Before that, syempre medyo, aminin ko na, di ba? Parang nag-hope ka pa na, nagkabalik ka kami. You know? But when I saw you guys in the airport, you looked like a couple. You really are a couple, and I never really thought we were a couple. And I wanted to die. I wanted, alam mo yung gusto mong gumuho yung buong airport kasama ka. Tapos, sa aeroplano ako, katabi ko sila dyan. Gusto kong tumalon. Oo, gusto kong tumalon sa aeroplano. Kasi ganun pala yun na makikita mo na talagang...
Uy, may background.
Sana may music, Nakikita mo na tapos na talaga. Tapos na, yun na yun. That was the end, and I had a hard time, and that's why
I'm sure you did, yeah.
it was very painful for me to see na kayong dalawa na you look like a real couple, and I never really thought we were, and that's why I understood why you were angry with me, because whatever pain you felt when he left, I also felt it. That's it.
It's good to hear. Ano ba sasabihin ko, di ba? Okay na, okay lang. Obvious naman. Siyempre, at that time, hindi naman ako conscious sa mga nararamdaman mo. Conscious lang ako sa mga nararamdaman ko.
Siyempre, naiintindihan ko naman
in
yun.
hindsight, and after a while, siyempre, meron na kaming kids. Siyempre, naiisip ko din na, okay, it's about time. Pero it's a long process. Actually,
course.
before I said yes to this, pinag-isipan ko, okay ba talaga ako? Okay gawin to. Alam ko naman, I can wing it eh. Kasi pwede ko namang i-showbiz. Pero naisip ko, hindi naman ako ganun. Baka hindi ko kayanin. Pero tama na, dapat kayanin na, hindi ba?
Actually, one of the things that I appreciate about you is that although I have to admit no na hindi ako nagalit sa'yo kasi parang wala naman akong karapatan magalit kasi naiintindihan ko nga yung naramdaman mo eh. If I was in your place, I would feel the same way. Pero I guess I did not appreciate the fact that every time I would say hello, you wouldn't even look at me. I did not appreciate that, but I understood why. I understand perfectly. And now, habang nagtumatanda tayo, mas naiintindihan ko yung fact na, oo, wag ka na lang mag-effort kung pa-plastikin mo lang din naman.
Exactly.
Mas mabuti na yon sa akin.
Di ba? Kesa naman binati kita, tapos pag
alam mo
nakatalikod
naman
ka,
ako,
kung ano-ano
kung ano-ano
sinasabi ko.
sasabihin mo, mas na-appreciate ko yon. Kasi like ngayon,
I'm glad kasi parang instead na hi, tas shoot. I don't want to backstab. At least obvious na sa'yo, nagalit ako, tapos na yun,
tapos
diba?
na yun. And at least now, pareho tayong nag-heal. In different ways, of course, pareho tayong na nag-heal, pareho ng, kumbaga past na talaga yon. Then we can just talk about it like
Exactly. Kamusta si Ariel sa family mo?
this. Nanay ko,
I can just imagine. I know what my mother felt.
no, but you know what? My parents are not naman ano eh. But wag ka magagalit ah. My mom has just this incredible sense of humor. She has this incredible sense of humor and she doesn't mean anything by it. I know na nasulat pa nga yun one time eh, but I don't think she means anything by it. Okay, one time, I just woke up. May minumura siya. Si Ariel. Ariel! Shh! Baka mamaya pumunta dun si Ariel, tapos pinagmumura niya. Pagbaba ko, baboy. Pinangalanan niyang baboy. Yung si Ariel, baboy, nakawala sa hawla, pinangalanan.
Yan ang way of coping ng nanay mo.
Oo, yun nga yung
That was her
niya.
way.
That was her way. But I don't think she mean, you know, anything by it. I don't think...
And even if she did, understand. Nanay siya eh.
No, but I don't think so. They never really got involved naman eh. Ever since the beginning, they never really got involved. So, although they felt bad for me, but hindi naman sila tipo ng ganon eh. Kahit yung, siguro yung pinaka-involved lang sa lahat, yung kapatid ko, si Kakay. Kasi siya yung mas galit pa siya sa akin, mas upset pa siya sa akin. Ganun siya eh. Pagka may mga write-ups about it, nagagalit siya. Ayaw niya. Siya yung pinaka-involved. Kasi best friend ko yun eh.
Oo, ganyan naman na. Ako kay Janice, ganyan din ako.
Oo.
Yan.
Ikaw, did you ever understand me?
Ha, now na lang. Lately na lang. Kasi sabi ko nga, di ba, kailan lang humupa yung ano ko, yung galit ko. At saka, effort ito. Yung effort, yung trying to, oh sige na, tama na yan, di ba? Tagal na yan. Lately na lang yan. Kasi parang naisip ko parang, okay na, madami namang blessings si Lord. So, ano ba naman ang ibigay ko ito? Eh, ikaw bubuti ko rin naman, di ba? Paikagagaan ko rin ng loob.
Why do you think?
Ewan ko sa tumatanda na rin ako. Ewan ko. Siguro it's really time. It was time to talagang bask in it, all you want. And then after a while, tama
Move
na.
on. Move on. And I'm glad. I'm actually really happy for you kasi parang mahirap din yung meron kang
Yes.
kinikip-kip na.
Diba? Meron kang iniiwasan na ayaw mong makita, na ayaw mong gawin.
Na eventually magkikita na.
Exactly. We're in the same business, so it was inevitable.
Yeah, of course. My business manager actually asked Ariel if he could guess, parang magsusurprise siya.
Sa'yo.
I never really thank you, but thank you very, very much for doing that for me. I mean, really, I so
Hindi naman ako yung
appreciate
kumanta,
it.
di ba?
Yeah, but
Hindi naman ako.
no, but if you hadn't said yes to that, he wouldn't have been able to go there. And I was just really, really happy that he was there. I was like jumping everywhere. You know, I was happy to see him because I have not seen him in a long time. Actually, okay naman kami eh. Hindi naman ako nagalit sa kanya or anything. And we also started as friends. So I was just really happy. And like I said, well, thank you to Ariel. And thank you to you for letting him do that. Really, I do appreciate it.
You're welcome. Ano mo sasabihin sa thank you? Welcome. Fine. Eh, ang dami na niyang sinabi. Finally, ito na, todo na ito. Todo. Oo, kasi mamaya gap na. Finally, ano na ang gusto mo sabihin? Message, phone patch, gano'n.
Sa ako ang may message.
Sa akin.
Ang message ko sa iyo. Well, thank you. Thank you for finally natanggal na yung galit mo sa akin. Kasi alam mo, yung totoo, parang hindi din ako natuwa na nagalit ka sa akin. Siyempre, no, sino ba namang matutuwa doon?
Siyempre.
And I also did not mean to hurt you. And you have to know that. I didn't mean, I just also fell in love. But now that it's over, it's finished, I'm glad that you are also moving on with, Jelly, he broke up with me because he said he loves you.